Grouping shapes gives us the ability to manipulate multiple objects in one operation. This can be useful if you are editing a project that is made up of multiple parts that need adjusting. For example, I have here a design which needs to be sent to the machine in one operation, but I would like to resize it before I do that. Now it's actually made up of separate parts. So if I try and select all of the parts to resize, I don't have the control handles that I need. To group this selection of objects, I go to the Edit menu and choose Group. This now combines the shapes together in one bounding box, meaning that when I resize it, all of the elements involved in that group are editable. If I want to then ungroup it to edit one part of that project, I go back to the Edit menu and choose Ungroup. This then separates it down into the original parts, but with all of the new alterations that I made. Bear in mind that grouping is different to welding, as grouping can be undone.